I watched the trailer of Dil Bekarar and it looks really interesting. So, would you like to share something about your characters in it? Like what kind of role you are playing?
Yes, Soumya, I'm playing a role of Justice Ellen Thakur. And is a very honest, righteous, and it's a very principled man. And he live up the life very honestly, and he tries his family on those values they should carry. और उसकी जो एक जिंदगी का जो मकसद यही है कि किसी भी शख्स की उसकी पहचान जो है उसके उसकी ईमानदारी से और उसके काम से होनी चाहिए। और वो भी जो है हमेशा ये उसका एक कोशिश है कि जो है जरूर जो है हम सिर्फ सरकारों को या लोगों को तोहमत न दें, बल्कि हम लोग कुछ अपने कंट्रीब्यूशन के साथ में हम क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं वो करें। और ये इस फिल्म के अंदर बहुत बखूबी से दिखाया गया है। और जो जो इस 80s का जो एरा है उसके दौर के अंदर जो एक ईमानदारी का और एक माहौल जो था, तो थिंग्स के हाउ पीपल द ऑनेस्टी वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग इन दैट टाइम। तो उसको लेकर हमारे जो फिल्म के हीरो हैं वो उसको लेकर वो एक स्ट्रगल भी करता है, एक्सपोज भी करता है, लड़ाई भी लड़ता है। एंड वेयर द प्रोटोगनिस्ट जो है माय डॉटर व्हिच इज प्लेइंग सहर, she is also a journalist, she is a news reader. So yeah, this is something, and we very beautifully this subject has all kind of emotions, especially lots of comedy, lots of entertainment, lots of emotions are there. The subject goes with the what is that love story surrounding with all other things.
Okay. And your role, Padmini ma'am?
So basically, this web series, Dil Bekarar, of course, I'm playing the character of Bhudevi. And she's a very kind of, how do you say, like how do you say, uninhibited kind of a person, and who just speaks her heart out. And, is like from a small town, and she is just what she is. This is what I am, is what I am, that kind of it's a very interesting character, which I loved playing. I absolutely loved playing, and under the baton of course, Mr. Habib Faisal. So I was very excited because I'd seen Mr. Faisal's movies, and how he kind of portrays his characters, and what his narrative is, and also that really sort of took my interest in this project. And of course, we got to reunite, Rajji,
Yes.
Poonam and I. So that was another exciting moment for me. So it's based in the 80s, 80s. We loved the 80s, it was so retro, so magical. And, things were kind of, changing for the better, and, things like that. So that's what basically Dil Bekarar is all about. And of course, it's been inspired by those Pricey Thakur girls.
Like, did you know before being casted in this show that you all will be coming together, or was it like a surprise element that
So Rajji was a surprise. Yes, Rajji was a surprise, and Poonam wasn't disclosed to me until we were invited for lunch to the producer's house, and she says, I'm going to introduce you to Mamta, and you'll be taken by surprise. And I said, don't tell me it's Poonam, because we are friends, and we're constantly meeting, and we are sort of. So I said, is it Poonam? She said, you got it right. So she thought that she was going to surprise us. That's Smriti Shinde, that's the producer. But yes, Rajji was a surprise for us.
What about you, Ratsa? Did you know that Poonam ma'am and Padmini ma'am will be there in this show?
Not really. This was when I went to meet Mr. Habib Faisal, when he narrated the subject and the role, which I liked very much. So he asked me, so are you interested? It's no choice. I want to work, but who are the other people? I must slightly should give me the idea. So yes, in a day or two, we will let you know. Okay. So the first name definitely came to Padmini, and the second name, Poonam. So I didn't know which role who is doing, but I was very excited. At least we will be together. So I'll be very comfortable, because this was some new setup. I never worked with Habib Shah earlier. So, but I was very impressed with the subject and the entire thing, which is it's adapted that very famous novel, those Pricey Thakur girls.
Yes.
So later, I was happy, very happy, and जब I found them in on set, तो मुझे लगा कि यार ठीक है, अपना अब हम किले अपने ही किले में हैं, अपने ही फूट के अंदर. And then the Natli Sahar and the Akshay is also a good company. Very good actors, both of them, and very, very laborious and very hardworking kind of people. मजा आया सबके साथ काम.
So how was it like on the set? Like when you all were not shooting, did you guys like meet up often and share old memories and old times? So would you like to share some of those memories?
Something is definitely, because this subject, Dil Bekarar, was the period which we came to the Mumbai and we started our career. So now the whole things were that very nostalgic feeling of that set and that costumes which we were wearing, and that the whole atmosphere. So automatically so many things came, and we used to discuss this and that, and so we used to say, oh yes, we remember this scene we were doing, it was like this and this was like that. मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होता था. So we used to share when the lighting was going on with otherwise. आज की तारीख में ज्यादा लंच पे मिल लिए या सेट पे जो है लाइटिंग चल रही है उस वक्त मिल रही है, नहीं तो फिर अपनी अपनी वैन में जाके हम लोग बैठ जाते हैं. बट डेफिनेटली it was lots of share we moment we shared during this working hours when we were working together, and बीच में जो गैप मिलते थे उसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करते थे.
There used to be like a round
हावी
table,
था.
like a round table बैठते थे राजी के साथ. So Raji was the center of attraction,
क्या बात है.
and you know, so it was fun. It was fun. Yeah, I mean, the good thing is that normally what happens is you tend to go back to your vanity, or you kind of go and relax and sit. But this was like we used to sit together and chat and talk, and talk about everything.
So, a lot has changed over the years. Like it was a long time, and now a lot of things have changed. Like OTT has come. So, what kind of atmosphere do you feel has changed around an actor? Like, are the people around you more comfortable or more professional? They are more supportive. So, how has it been? Do you feel
I
any
think for
difference?
actors, like people like us who have seen it back then and are seeing it now as well, the comfort level has increased. That's all I can say. Rest, everything is the same. I mean, you have the same. I mean, of course, the people are much more like they're much more more technicians. More people on board, on set, on location. In each department, there are many more people. So there's a lot of job work now in jobs in this entertainment industry. But other than that, nothing has really changed. I mean, your actors still are the same. They have the same kind of fondness for each other, and they mingle in the same way. And
For you, Raj sir?
Yes, absolutely right, what Padmani has said. कि हम लोग जो है as such जो change है, that the change is only this. Same kind of a working we had at that time today also. But yes, the comfort level is increased, definitely. Now there was a one if the costume wala, the costume department, one or two people were there. Now there's 10 people are there. So there's lots of help are there. So and people are very specialized, very professional. Before also they were very professional, but no doubt. But now there's very specialized kind of a section and department has been there. So director also has a lots of comfort because he makes it responsible that a certain department, specific department, that their department has their own assistant, I think, and also the actors also been divided. Okay, this actor will be this department, this person will handle this actor. So these are the very right and a very systematic kind of a way to working. So you feel very comfortable. Otherwise, then for actor, the performance and the things and everything is the same. You have to give, you have to emote, you have to work. Yes, of course, this OTT platform has given actors a very big advantages because we are working today. We can such a beautifully, we can emote the things, nuances, we can bring out, which in the 3 hours, at that time, a 3 hours film. But now this is something, a series, at least first 10, then further, whatever. So, this is a very beautiful way of, and the actor have a lots of chance, writers has a lots of chance, director has a lots of things to bring out. So now it's a good working.
You both have like a bunch of family members who are working in this industry presently. Has it ever been like they are coming to you for any sort of advice, or with the advent of OTT, you are going to them and asking certain things? So how is it like the conversation has changed?
Yes, like for instance, a lot of how do you say, things have been sort of, like there are a lot of specialized areas that have come now. Like a lot of things have been taken into account. Like I definitely do call up Shraddha a lot of times, that okay, now this such and such thing is happening. So what should I do, and how is this done? How is that done? Like for example, my social media. If I get stuck anywhere, I call her up. I say, no, Shraddha, can you just tell your team to help me? I'm stuck here. She says, yeah, of course. And then whatever, they kind of help me out with it. For instance, like her agency is helping me out on this project, Dil Bekarar. So yeah, like I mean, obviously we are close, so we end up talking about these things. I think like where she used to initially ask me, about like which films should I watch, which are the good roles that I should see, and learn from this other. Now I'm asking her about all these, the how do you say, the rules, or how everything operates, within the industry.
So Yuvraj sir?
Gee, uh, yes, definitely. I try to avoid one thing because my children, all like my elder son, Juhi, my daughter, and my youngest son, they all are working. So I never give that kind of advice what they should do or what they should not do, because that is not good. Because they must acting or the film, any creative thing in life. Uh, you should not impose. Parents should not impose. Let them what things should inspire them, and first they decide what they want to do. The role is good or not. The why they want to do this. So they want to discuss with this. I mean, the first thing I always ask you, why you want to do this subject or this film or whatever. So they say because when the priority is first is this. So why you want to do this? किसी इसमें ये कम मिल रहा है, इसमें वो ज्यादा मिल रहा है. मैंने कहा first what is your priority? You have said this is your priority. So first you see can you fulfill your priority or not. Good maker, good director, it means your priority will be protected. Now the second thing is to discuss. If you think it's not viable for you, don't do. If you can make it because your priority is strong, everything you say, very good director, very good writer, very good producer. It means a very good the platform or whatever the producer, whatever the banner. So you should. So I just till that much I definitely, And later on, whatever happened, if they want to discuss something, some role, scene, whatever, so I do that. But बिल्कुल सही कहा पद्मिनी जी ने कि when that things is coming, मुझे टेलीफोन चलाना नहीं आता, आज भी जो है ये मैं किस तरह से ये आज जूम का इंटरव्यू सेट होगा ये भी मैंने बच्चों को बिठाया, मैंने कहा पापा हम भेज देते हैं, मैंने कहा हाँ बेटा भेज देना, कहीं बंद हो गया बीच में चालू कैसे होगा So he takes the help भाई, अब आप इतना कहाँ दिमाग खर्च कर पाएंगे
Yeah, but Raji's children are so blessed. They are like in the same aura of, I mean, the reason I'm saying this is because, Raji Priyank, my son, has trained under Nadra ji, and he holds her in such high regard. And oh my God, how much he has helped him grow as an actor. Really.
I'll tell.
Fantastic.
She'll be very happy. Thank you, Padmini.
So about the present generation of actors, do you have any personal favorite, like some actor whose movies you look forward to watching?
I don't think you should ask me that question. I'm going to be biased about this.
No, apart from your family members. Apart from family.
Yeah, you need to say that.
Yeah.
If you ask me, I want to see all the film of Padmini and Poonam ji.
You know why he's saying that? We just ran a music quiz contest, and he didn't know a single name of any of my
God.
I beat him hollow, by the way.
I'm a loser, so I'm going to see now. कल को फिर
आपको punish कर दिया अभी. अभी मैं आपकी क्लास लेने वाली हूँ राजी.
Don't worry, I'm going to see now.
No, so see, for me, I'll tell you, this entire new generation, this entire new lot is so hardworking, so talented, and they put in so much hard work that you just can't but like them. You just have to like them. They're so good. So each and every one of them, I mean, I can't keep anybody aside. They're all so hardworking, the new generation, the new lot. Whether it is, I watch television, I watch web series, I watch movies. They're all so good and so hardworking.
Raj sir, आपने recently Vicky Kaushal की Udham Singh release हुई थी, and since you have played the role in the past, have you watched the film?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
And did you like it? Like Vicky?
I like it. Vicky is a very good actor. Vicky is a very good actor. It's entirely approach is different. Sujit has a different approach of this film, and Sujit has done a marvelous thing. I think that kind of a sensitivity and जो उसका जो पेन था जो सुजीत दिखाना चाहते थे इस उधम सिंह में, उस पेन को उसने जो कैरी किया, I salute to him, and I genuinely I appreciate the way. लेकिन मैं अगर जानबूझ के, लेकिन मैं फोन नहीं कर पाया मैं, इसलिए कि अननेसेसरी में इन चीजों में नहीं जाता मैं कि कोई सवाल करे बाहर, लेकिन मैं दिल से भाई उसके फादर जो थे, जब मैंने शहीद उधम सिंह बनाई थी तो ही वाज इन्वॉल्व विद अस. तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि कहीं ना कहीं कौशल साहब का बेटा जो है आज उधम सिंह कर रहा है. तो फॉर मी एंड दैट होल सीन जो जलियांवाला बाग का था, वो कौशल साहब ने जो है वो क्रिएट किया था. That has been created, and that has the soul of this film, and Vicky has done the marvelous job.
What kind of roles do you look forward to doing with OTT, and is there any particular kind of role do you feel do you want to explore?
You want to ask me?
Yeah.
No, any kind of a role. For me, the role is never been a criteria of what kind. I want what director can feel for me, and I have to adapt myself for that role, because that is something which is an actor can grow. So I'm not that stylized kind of an actor. I want to grow. I want to do a different role, and whatever director can see, I want to bring that out. So यही दिल की बेकरारी है मेरे.
Yes.
Yeah, so
So
we are really excited for Dil Bekarar,
yes,
and
all the very best.
thank
The trailer
you.
is amazing, and I'm really looking forward to watching the show.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for talking to us, and it was a pleasure. Thank
Thanks,
you.
thanks, son.
Thanks.
Thank you.